Drowning in dense research papers? Meet ResearchFlow, your AI study buddy that turns complex PDFs into mind maps, summaries, and tables in seconds. First, search rflow.ai and hit enter. You'll be redirected to the home page where you can sign up for free. Once your account is created, you'll receive daily free credits along with some pro credits as a bonus. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard of ResearchFlow. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can ask questions. You can choose from 3 modes: academic, to search through over 200 million published research papers available in ResearchFlow; web, to search the entire internet; direct, to generate answers without searching. On the left, there's an upload section, and below it, a drag and drop area where you can upload PDF files. Creating a board to start a research project, click on New Research, then click New Board. A new workspace will open. Inside your board, you'll see options like Ask AI, Add a Card, Copy Text, Change Card Color. At the top right, you can change the citation style and language. Toggle Pro feature on or off. Select AI model. Using academic search in building a mind map, use the academic search to find a paper. Once added, you have options: Ask AI, Add sibling cards, Add child cards, download or delete papers. Clicking on Ask AI reveals quick actions like mind map, summarize, explain, conclusion, and AI-generated suggested questions. Now, click mind map to visualize concepts. As it loads, you'll see numbered cards. Each number represents how much content is inside. Click to expand and explore deeper. Navigating cards. For every card you have, Ask AI, Add sibling card, Add child card, Copy text, Trace back to origin, Change card color. You can highlight important cards by changing their colors for easier navigation. Exploring the Trace back to origin and advanced features in ResearchFlow AI. This is one of the most powerful tools in ResearchFlow. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the original source, the main research paper or article from which the AI-generated content was taken. This is extremely helpful if you want to verify the information or study the full paper in detail. You also have the copy text option to copy any content from a card. Working with cards, child and sibling card. The child card feature, this lets you add a card inside the current one, useful for adding detailed notes or subtopics. Similarly, the sibling card adds a new card next to your current card, perfect for parallel thoughts or comparisons. In both types of cards, you can write your own content manually if needed. Now let's explore the Ask AI menu. Here you'll find quick actions like dive in, explain, simplify, example. Let's try the dive in feature. It provides a deeper breakdown of the content to help you explore the topic further. Next, let's check out the example option. This automatically generates examples based on the content of your card, making complex ideas easier to understand through relatable scenarios. Now imagine you're dealing with a complex graph or chart in a PDF and it's hard to understand. Use the Graph Shot feature. It lets you select a chart or formula from the document. Then choose Summarize, and ResearchFlow will analyze and simplify the graph into a readable summary. This is incredibly useful for students who struggle with visual data. Handling multiple research papers. Let's now work with multiple research papers. You can upload several PDFs, here we've added 3, and organize them visually within the board. After that, you can give a prompt like, analyze commons and differences between these 3 papers and present them in a table. Once the process completes, ResearchFlow creates a comparison table showing similarities and differences. This is a huge time saver for researchers doing literature reviews. Now let's explore more quick actions for PDF papers. You can also use Explain to get a detailed explanation of the paper's content, helping you decide whether it's worth reading in full. Conclusion. to generate a brief summary or conclusion of the paper. Both are very helpful when you need to skim through a large number of papers quickly. Exporting and sharing your work in ResearchFlow AI. Now let's see how to export or share your project. Click on the Share option. From here, you can either generate a shareable link to send to anyone or privately share it with a specific author or collaborator. Now go to the Export section. You'll see two export types, Mind Map, Report. Under Mind Map, you have two formats, PNG, Interactive HTML. Let's export both and compare. The PNG file gives you a visual snapshot of your mind map. You can see all the nodes and content, but you can't interact with it. The HTML version is fully interactive. You can click to expand or collapse nodes, making it great for presentations or personal reviews. Report export. Now let's check out the report export. You have two format options, Markdown, PDF. We'll export it in Markdown format. Once downloaded, you can see the structured report, neatly formatted and easy to read. This format is ideal if you're working with note-taking tools like Obsidian or uploading to a GitHub repository. ResearchFlow makes exporting and sharing your research incredibly smooth, which is why it's such a valuable tool for students, researchers, and professionals looking to streamline their workflow and enhance understanding. You'll find the link to ResearchFlow in the description below. Check it out and start exploring today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tool breakdowns.